Hey everyone, today we're diving into Snapchat and I'm going to show you exactly how to add a story. Whether you're sharing a glimpse of your day or promoting something special, stories are a great way to connect with your friends. So let's get started. First things first, open up Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Now you'll be on the camera screen. This is where you'll capture your photo or video for your story. To take a photo, simply tap the big circle button. For a video, press and hold it down. You can also switch between the front and back camera using the flip button. Snapchat is famous for its filters and lenses. Feel free to experiment with them. Just tap the smiley face icon next to the camera button to browse and apply different effects. You can also add text, stickers, and drawings to your snap. Once you're happy with your snap, tap the blue Send To button in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the Send To screen. Here you'll see your friend list and the My Story section. Tap on My Story. Then tap the blue arrow button at the bottom right to send your snap to your story. And that's it. Your snap is now added to your story. To view your story, swipe right from the camera screen to the friend screen and you'll see your story at the top. And there you have it. That's how you add your story on Snapchat. It's a fun and easy way to share your moments with your friends. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.